How to use Blackbox AI. So basically just a little tutorial. So this AI over here is basically just a tool designed to assist programmers by generating, optimizing, and explaining code. So it acts as a smart coding assistant that can be understand natural language instructions and translate them into working code snippets across multiple programming languages. So this makes it especially useful for developers who want to speed up coding, debug complex logic, or learn new techniques. So pretty much all while keeping their workflow within a familiar code editor, somewhat like VS Code. But to use it, you can just go ahead to your preferred browser and just search for Blackbox AI and just enter the website. Then go here to the top right, which is the home button or the get started now. But either way, it should bring you to something like this where you can create a free account. So you can put in your or you can put in your email address, and then you can enter a password, then you can create an account. So if you're asked to verify your email, then you can do that by going to your Gmail, going to the same email address, and just getting the verification process. Or you could choose this option down here. But as of now, there's an internal server error, but you can also go ahead and install an extension of your choice. If you'd like to, you can search for Blackbox AI extension and it should just be right here on the first option. So once you've done that, and it's active, you can type natural language prompts describing the code you need, such as maybe you want to function to calculate the Fibonacci sequence, and the AI will generate the corresponding snippet. You can also provide existing code for optimization, debugging, or those kinds of stuff. Maybe you want an explanation. That's the general idea of Blackbox. So after generating code, review and test it carefully. You can ask Blackbox AI to refactor functions, generate unit tests, or explain complex blocks in simple terms. So the combination of automation and guidance makes it powerful for beginners and, of course, still experienced developers. But that's pretty much how you can use Blackbox AI though. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.